Madbarz is a unique fitness platform offering an extensive library of bodyweight exercises and personalized workout plans tailored to various fitness levels. When you first enter the site, you're greeted with a clean, minimalistic interface that focuses on usability. The homepage prominently features workout categories, along with options to sign up or log in to unlock the full range of features. One standout aspect of Madbarz is its focus on no-equipment exercises, making it ideal for those working out at home or on the go. You can choose from beginner, intermediate, or advanced routines, and the site even allows you to customize your plans based on goals such as fat loss, strength gain, or endurance building. Navigation is straightforward. Tabs like Workout Plans, Exercises, and Progress Tracking are neatly organized. When you click on Workout Plans, you'll find a detailed breakdown of routines, including exercise descriptions, difficulty levels, and estimated durations. The Exercises tab offers an extensive database of individual movements, complete with instructional videos and tips to ensure proper form and effectiveness. Progress tracking is another highlight. Users can log completed workouts, set fitness goals, and monitor improvements over time. This feature is particularly useful for those looking to stay consistent and motivated. The platform also provides a supportive community forum where users can share tips, progress, and encouragement. The content quality is high, but the website lacks variety in nutritional resources, which might be a downside for users looking for an all-in-one solution. Additionally, while most features are free, some advanced plans and features require a subscription. Despite these limitations, Madbarz excels as a bodyweight training hub. It's straightforward, effective, and perfect for users who value flexibility in their workout schedules. Subscribe now for more reviews and fitness insights, and don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel.